Now, after a frantic search, the man diagnosed with monkeypox has been captured after he fled isolation this morning. He was found in Four Paths, Clarendon. The details in this report.
There were frantic scenes inside the Maypen Hospital in Clarendon Saturday after it was realized that a patient who had been in isolation after being diagnosed with monkeypox was missing. He was admitted this week after presenting with symptoms, becoming the country's first case of the contagious disease. The Ministry of Health reported that the man arrived from the United Kingdom, where cases are on the rise. It remains unclear what prompted his escape from the hospital. This was Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton once the word got out.
I can confirm that the patient who was in isolation at Maypen Hospital with a diagnosis of monkeypox disease has fled the institution. He made his escape, if, for want of a better word, through a bathroom window. And so he didn't just walk through the doors. He went to the bathroom, went through the window, and boarded a waiting motor car, which took him from the premises. We do have footage, hospital footage of the motor vehicle and its license plate number, and the police have been notified. They have been to his home. He's not there, but investigations continue.
Investigators were then led here to Shekels in Four Paths, Clarendon, where the patient was reportedly found at a relative's house. Residents who didn't want to speak on camera say they're in disbelief and are equally disappointed. They were also concerned about being stigmatized arising from the incident. Questions are also being raised about how patients deemed high risk are monitored at health facilities. Now, it's understood that the patient came to Jamaica to attend a funeral which was held yesterday. He's scheduled to return to the United Kingdom. This has been delayed due to his current condition. Monkeypox symptoms, according to health experts, can last up to 4 weeks. The virus is transmitted to humans through close contact with an infected person. It is expected that the persons with whom the patient came in contact with will be placed in quarantine. It's unclear what further action will be taken against the patient as well as the person who transported him from the hospital. Janella Precious, TVJ News.